going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working or showing in Windows 10 or 11. First, open the Start menu and navigate to Settings. From there, go to Network and Internet, then scroll down to Advanced Network Settings. Here, locate the Network Reset option and click on it, followed by the Reset Now button. This will reset your network settings, which can help resolve connectivity issues. Next, it's essential to update your drivers. To do this, open the Start menu again, type in Device Manager, and press Enter. In the Device Manager window, find the Network Adapters section and expand it. Look for your Bluetooth device and wireless LAN card. Right-click on each of these devices and select Update Driver. When prompted, choose Search automatically for drivers, allowing Windows to find and install any available updates. After completing these steps, restart your computer to ensure your changes take effect. If none of these methods work, it might be a hardware issue. Make sure to check your Wi-Fi adapter if it's connected properly.